Hey everyone, welcome back. This video is all about terracotta pot painting. I bought this pot from a local pottery shop. So the first step is priming. I'm using a heavy gesso from itsybitsy for priming. Sometimes you may find the pot surface very rough. In such cases, if you apply 2-3 coats of primer, you will have a smooth base for your art. Let the primer dry properly before applying the base coat. For the base, I am using acrylic colors from fevicryl. The shade is ultramarine blue. For a flawless base, you need to apply the base color at least 2-3 coats. For darker shades, 2 coats will be enough, but for lighter shades, 3 to 4 coats will be needed. Also, make sure your layers are getting properly dried before applying the next one. The base color is completely dry. If you use white or lighter shades of acrylic colors for pattern, there are chances that the pigments in base color getting mixed up with the lighter shades. To avoid getting mixed up, this is what I do. I used to give a layer of varnish directly over the base. This will completely seal your base, and later on if you apply lighter shades, it won't get mixed up. Now our base is completely ready. You can follow the same steps for all terracotta pots. For pattern, I am doing a blue pottery inspired mandala art. I got a lot of inquiries regarding the tool which I am using now. This is a glue precision applicator. I found it very helpful while applying mandala dots of equal size. You can use dotting tools also instead of this. I am doing a simple mandala pattern using dotting tools. All the tools and materials used in this video are available on Amazon. Please check out my previous videos for a detailed tutorial on mandala art. Our pattern is completely dry. Now to seal the pot, you can apply a layer of varnish. I applied the same layer of varnish which I used for the base. The painting is completely done. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.